guys, today I wanted to share with you my zero waste period kit. Not only have these helped me reduce my waste during that time of the month, but they're also genuinely better than disposable products. I hope you know that I would not be showing you guys these things if I didn't think that they actually made my period comfier and easier. If we haven't met before, my name is Jade and my channel is all about lifestyle with a green twist. So that's videos like this where I share something that helps you reduce your waste. I also have some thrifting and ethical fashion videos as well, and I'm always coming up with new green content. So if that kind of stuff interests you, then consider subscribing because I upload a video every week. The first product that really got me into like reusable period products was hearing about the Diva Cup. This is not a Diva Cup, it is a knockoff. Even though this is a knockoff, it's still medical grade silicone. It's pretty stable inside your body, it's not going to leach anything. And this is to replace tampons. Menstrual cups are a great alternative to tampons because unlike tampons, which you have to switch out every 4 to 6 hours, and then you throw them in the trash, a menstrual cup you can get one for your whole cycle because you can leave it in you, I think up to like 12 hours at a time or something. You basically just have to take it out and dump it, and then you can put it back in. It's really convenient because you can leave it in for that long. And as I was saying before, it's great because you don't have to throw it away after every use. But you can also keep these for up to 10 years, so yeah, that's pretty crazy. And I know a big deterrent for me at first was seeing the price, and I was kind of like, what? You want me to spend $40 on this thing? And then I realized that you can keep it up to 10 years, and 30 or 40 bucks over 10 years, cost per use, it is just like minuscule. So yeah, totally worth the investment in my opinion. I want to put up a full review going over how to clean it, and just generally my honest pros and cons about it. So if you have any questions, then please leave it down below, and that goes for all of the products that I'm about to show you, because I do want to do more in-depth reviews on them, because I know that reusable products are a lot of money up front and it can be really intimidating. Period underwear are definitely my favorite period products. They're just so easy to use. It's literally like putting on a pair of underwear. It's great. And I don't feel like I'm on my period when I'm wearing them. I think a big concern about period underwear is that you like think that it's gonna feel like a diaper, or that it's gonna feel like you're sitting in your own mess. Personally, I don't get this feeling. Maybe like when I go to the bathroom and then I pull them back up, like I get a little bit of a wet feeling. But again, because reusables are pretty expensive up front, I use these as replacements for overnight pads because the cup does a pretty good job during the day, and I was just kind of in the habit of wearing pads at night, so switching to period underwear was a really natural switch for me. I also feel so much more secure than wearing overnight pads because it covers that whole area. I can sleep in whatever weird position that I want to sleep in and just feel like I'm not going to leak or anything. It's a great feeling. The next thing is actually something new for me and something that I haven't used yet, and they are reusable pads. These are from the brand Hannah Pad, and they look like this. They're cute prints on the outside. They have snaps. You just open them up and the inside is organic cotton. So basically I wanted these as a backup to the menstrual cup, so I will let you know how that goes. I'm assuming it's just going to be like a regular pad. Maybe it'll be a little bit of a better experience because these do have like pretty high quality snaps, so I don't think they're going to like shift as much or get stuck on my butt cheek, or you know, you guys have had pads end up in weird positions, and yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, if you have reusable pads, let me know like your tips down below. Also, if you have any questions, again, we'll be updating with a review video, so I will get to those as soon as I have some decent experience. Okay, the next thing in my period kit is actually something that is not to deal with the flow. It's more to deal with like the symptoms that go along with it in a natural way, and that is a hot water bottle or a heating pad. And I chose this one over an electric one just because, one, I feel like it's more convenient to not have to be hooked up to anything. Like I can be chilling on the couch under a blanket with this thing, or I can take it literally wherever and I can pack it in a bag with me, and I know that it can be either a heating or a cooling pad. Also, a pro to having like a hot water bottle or like a heating pad that has like dry beans or rice in it that you just pop in the microwave or something, is that it virtually does not have an end of life. Like an electric heating pad might break or something and not work anymore, and then you have to deal with all of the different parts. This, unless I take some really sharp scissors and really try to like cut it, it's not going to break. And same thing with like a rice or bean heating pad, like unless you are doing something crazy with it, it's probably not going to break. And if it does, then it's made out of natural materials. The reason why I like this so much and it's in my kit is because it just is a great way to deal with cramps or headaches or anything naturally. Using heat or cold is a great way to kind of relieve pain without relying too heavily on like medicine or anything like that. Sometimes just a little bit of heat or a little bit of cold is enough relief. Even whenever you're just feeling like blah or gross or I don't know, like kind of that weird feeling that you get, it's just soothing, even if you don't actually have cramps. Let me know down below what you have in your zero waste period kit, and just generally like share your experiences down below, because I feel like on videos like this, everyone gets so much more value when you guys share your experiences, your tips. I'll work on those reviews in the next week, so make sure you're leaving the questions. In the meantime, maybe you should check out these videos. This is the one that I think you'll like, and this is the one that YouTube thinks that you'll like. So definitely give those a try, and I will see you next time. Bye!